So doing diagnostics on a 2010 Audi S4. This is a 3 litre V6 Supercharged. So these suffer from quite a common issue. Sometimes it's misdiagnosed. To diagnose this, there's no fault codes, no diagnostic tools to tell you any fault codes or guide you in any way. Just going to use this stethoscope here, just like what the doctors use as such. Use a stethoscope to diagnose what the issue is. So when you start the car up, there's a noise coming from the frontal area of the engine. It was suspected to be the pulley, this pulley here, making the noise. So we're going to start the engine up. It's from cold, and we should be able to hear the issue. So in the car now, just going to start the car up. I don't know if you'll hear it on the camera, but there's a little rattle noise. Once the engine warms up, it does quieten down a bit. We're going to use the stethoscope and start probing for some diagnostics. So what I'm going to do is probe the engine with the stethoscope. I'm going to probe it around the area of the supercharger pulley. And I can hear that's nice and clear. It's not got that rattling noise that I can hear. If I go down to the water pump, down at the water pump I can hear that noise that you can hear out here. It's 100% there. If we go over to the pulleys, it's not the same noise. So obviously this is a digital stethoscope, so I can't actually show you the noise or let you hear the noise through the microphone because it won't come through the phone. But by using the stethoscope you can poke around and listen to it from where the actual noise is coming from. So it's really useful for many sides of diagnosis. You might use it if you've got a bad wheel bearing. You could jack the vehicle up and let the wheel free roll and put the stethoscope end on the actual hub and listen in case you can hear anything on there. There's lots of other uses for the stethoscope, and sometimes it's a good tool to have, so you're not just relying on actual diagnostic tools and doing some physical diagnosis. You can put it on the injector, on the engine injector, and make sure you can hear the pulse of the injector. So yeah, it's really useful bit of equipment, and again very low cost. This is off eBay. It was off eBay and cost I think it's about £7. So any of them will do, but yeah, really useful bit of kit.